Are you throwing a temper tantrum, huh? Is that a temper tantrum? Oh, I'm so scared of you. Oh, you're going to jump out, huh?
Hello? Yes, this is the Brady residence. One moment, please. I'll get in. It's someone who calls me darling and wants to speak to you.
Hey!